Hello guys, you are watching Safety First, and in this video we will discuss about Nebosh open book examination closing interview. So before going forward, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for more valuable videos and information. So Nebosh open book examination closing interview preparation, how we have to prepare for Nebosh open book closing interview. So guys, it's very easy task, so be relaxed, no need to be panic. And in this video I will explain how you should prepare yourself for interview. So guys, mind mapping before the interview, I will provide you guideline before the interview how you should prepare yourself for interview. So there are four things before the interview you should be prepared for. First thing, interview type. What type of interview it will be? As most of you already know that it will be a video link. It may be on Zoom, WhatsApp, Hangout, Skype, or any other web link by interviewer nominated by your learning partner. So guys, this interview will be on the behalf of Nebosh to check whether you have solved your paper by yourself or you have taken any sort of support from any other personnel. So in this interview you just have to satisfy the interviewer that the work you have done in your paper is all your own. So what type of documents required in interview? So the purpose of document is to prove your identification. Any of these documents you can bring and give interview. It may be passport, driving license, or national identity card. Interview time and date. Learning partner before the interview will notify you via call, email, or any other source about the date and time of interview. So guys, interview environment. You have to give this interview in a private room without any support, without any electronic material, any sort of material which could be supported in your interview. So it will be done in a private room. Any form of supporting material or presence of any other person is not allowed unless subject for some responsible reasonable adjustment, like carrying children, etc. So these are the things you should be prepared before the interview. So now the things which is expected to be asked inside the interview. So first of all, interviewer will ask you to show your identification. You should have to prove your identification, just I mentioned before, by showing your passport, national identification card, or any valid documents, as I already mentioned before. So interview place verification. The interviewer will inspect your room in which you will be giving interview. You have to show your room to make sure there is no other person present there or no supporting material is along with you. So the main part of the interview is asking of question. The interviewer will ask 3 questions from your solved exam which you have submitted. So it may be like that. He will write for example, he will write from question number 7 2 points and will ask why this point is important. You have write this point is important, why this point is important, and you have to explain it. The interviewer will note your answer. In the same way he will ask a second question and third. So if the interviewer is convinced that the output is your own, your mark will be declared in line with published Nebosh time frames. If unsatisfactory, if the interview is not convinced, the learning partner will notify Nebosh and you will be contacted for the next step of possible next interview. You have nothing to worry upon attending the closing interview, as this will only to assess that your output is your own personal work, and this will not affect your examination. Best of luck. Thank you very much.